Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines on parrot. So let's start the video. The parrot is an attractive bird that belongs to the order Psittaciformes. More than 350 species of the parrots are found in the world. A curved beak, a small body, and elongated claws are the body features of a parrot. It is of different colors and interesting features depending upon their species. Parrots is omnivores in nature and feed on fruits, seeds, nuts, berries, insects, and worms. The average lifespan of parrot is 30 to 60 years of age. It resides in the nest built by them in the cavities of trees. Parrot is found in almost every region of the world that experiences warmer climatic conditions. It is a good learner and has the capability of learning from their surroundings. Parrot is very good at mimicking human voices. So if you like today's 10 lines on parrot, so please do comment in my comment box, and if you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.